Hello friends. Welcome to BB Creation. Today we are discuss what is difference between off-grid and on-grid solar system. When it comes to installing a solar power system, there are a lot of decisions to make. And because you are investing in equipment that will last many years, you want to make the right choices. What is off-grid solar? Off-grid systems work independently of the grid but have batteries which can store the solar power generated by the system. The system usually consists of solar panels, battery, charge controller, grid box, inverter, mounting structure and balance of systems. The panels store enough sunlight during the day and use the excess power generated in the night. These systems are self-sustaining and can provide power for critical loads in areas where a power grid is not available. However, these systems require specialized equipment to function and can be costly to install. These are ideal for businesses which can sustain for a short period of time with no electricity. What is on-grid solar? On-grid solar power system is a solar power generation system where it is connected to the utility grid. The electricity produced by the system is routed to the grid from where it is used to run the various appliances. The installation of the same is also fuss-free and easy to maintain. Benefits of on-grid solar. 1. Zero electricity bills. Though the solar power system is connected to the grid, the consumer has to pay only for the surplus electricity he consumes. The bill generated on a monthly basis determines whether the consumer has any payments to be made. However, at the same time, if the consumer utilizes less electricity, the excess is fed back in the grid. 2. Easy maintenance. The on-grid solar power system has the least number of parts along with simple installation. The elimination of batteries makes the maintenance quite easy. 3. Passive income generation. With a connection to the grid, the consumer can charge for the surplus electricity he has generated. It not only eliminates your electricity bills, but also avails the cost benefits for the excess electricity generated. Solar power has several benefits, which notably include a reduction in electricity cost and usage. However, there are other benefits that depend on the type of system you choose.
Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for more updates.